Farm, and today we're doing something really cool. We're making a big giant clock out of a wire spool end. I love it when we get to do stuff like this, but occasionally something doesn't go right. We have to get a little creative, and that's what we're doing today. We got to get a little creative to fix this problem. Let me show you what we're dealing with.
So this is the problem here. This insert houses the clock mechanism. And so that goes down in here. That comes out the hole. This goes in this center hole right here. In theory, that works like a charm. For our reality, it doesn't. Because no matter how hard I try to get this in that hole, it ain't going. The hole is 3 1/8 of an inch wide. This is 3 1/4, and it's just not enough movement in that to go in that hole. So we've got to come up with another solution. Well, I originally thought I would cut just a block of wood. I'd paint it black, and I'd put that in the hole. And I thought, oh, well, that'll work great. Then I see, though, that the clock mechanism doesn't have a long enough shaft on it to deal with that piece of wood. So that's no good. So I cut some 1/4 inch plywood, and I think this will work. The problem is, though, now getting this in the hole and making it stable. So, guys, out of the 1/4 inch plywood, these are 1.5 inches long. And I don't know how wide they are, maybe 1/4 inch wide. We're gonna take these and we're gonna try to use our Gorilla Glue super glue, and we're gonna glue these to the inside of this. Then this will sit down on top of that, and in theory, it'll work. Let's see if it does. That should be, oh, I think it's gonna work. Oh, let's get the others on. This is gonna work. We've got our little supports in there. I'm gonna let these bond, hopefully, to this steel insert right here. And then, obviously, the plate will rest on the ends of these things and hopefully make it secure. I'm excited. I think it works.
So I think this is gonna work. Sometimes the craziest ideas work. But thank you, Gorilla Glue, again, for like saving our bacon. They do it all the time. I don't know what I'd do without this Gorilla Glue. Wood glue, super glue, it doesn't matter. This stuff is fantastic. So thank you again, Gorilla Glue. And thank you guys for hanging out with us here for a few minutes. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. Like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Hang out with us for a little bit longer. Check out all of our other videos. Thanks, have a good day. Go make something.